Hello and welcome back to the Cyber. Today we came with a new chapter, Symmetric Cryptography. What we are going to discuss here, let's see that. A brief introduction, then some characteristics, some processes, types, advantages, disadvantages, algorithms, everything we are gonna see here in detail. So watch this video till end so it will be clear what is symmetric encryption. So let's start without wasting time. So let's understand what is actually symmetric cryptography, also called as secret key cryptography. It is a method of encryption, but the same key is used for both encryption and decryption of the point. Main thing is here, same key is used for both encryption and decryption of the data. In simple terms, both sender and receivers share a single secret key to encode and decode the message. Clear? For an example, if Elias and Bob shares the same secret key, Elias can encrypt a message and Bob can decrypt it using the same key. So simple. Next, let's see some characteristics of symmetric cryptography. Uses one shared key for encryption and decryption. Works faster than asymmetric cryptography. It is best suited for bulk data encryption like files, drives, and database. Requires secure key exchange before communication. Algorithms are generally lightweight and efficient. So these were some main characteristics of the symmetric cryptography. Moving next, let's see some basic processes of this symmetric cryptography. First one is plain text. What is the plain text? We have discussed it already in previous video. And let's get to the recap. Plain text, the readable message or data. Then encryption algorithm converts plain text into ciphertext using a key. Then a secret key shared between sender and receiver. Ciphertext is encrypted data, encrypted unreadable form of data. Decryption algorithm converts ciphertext into plain text using the same key. So this was the diagram is not here. Now, what are types of the algorithms used in the symmetric encryption? First one is block ciphers. What it does, it divides data into fixed size blocks. Example 64 or 128 bits. Each block is encrypted separately using the same key. Example DES, 3DS, AES, Blowfish, Towfish, whatever. Then stream ciphers, encrypted data 1 bit or byte at a time. Use it in real-time communication like video audio. Example RC4CH, CH20. Now moving next, if you one thing I want to tell you, if you want in detailed video on this, what we discussed right here, the types of symmetric encryption, how they work, a detailed video on block ciphers, please let me know in comments, and I can also give a notes of this what I am discussing here. If you want this in description, I have provided given there a Telegram channel link. You can follow me there, guys, and we will discuss. Now, coming back to the point, common symmetric encryption algorithms. Data encryption standard, DES. One of the earliest symmetric encryption standards uses 56-bit key and operates in 64-bit blocks. Now, third one is triple DS, 3DS. So after AES, advanced encryption. Then Blowfish, Towfish. So just an overview. If you want to delete it, detailed explanation, please let me know in comment section. Then let's move next. Here we will see the modes of operation for block cipher. ECB, like electronic code book. CBC, cipher blockchain. CFB, cipher feedback. OFB, output feedback. CTI, counter mode. What ECB does is a simple mode that encrypts each block separately. Then CBC, what it does, it Each block depends upon the previous one. Uses an initialization vector for randomness, more secure than ECP. Cipher feedback. It converts block cipher into a stream cipher, encrypted small unit like bytes. OIB output feedback. What it does is similar to CPF, but pre-generated key stream, no error propagation. Then moving next, what are the advantages of symmetric cryptography? The first advantage that is speed, efficiency, simplicity, and best for bulk encryption. Speed, it is much faster than asymmetric methods, ideal for real and time encryption. Why? Because it uses only a single key for both encryption and decryption, while asymmetric uses two different, public and private. Then efficiency, requires less computational power, is easy to implement, so on and so on. Let's see some disadvantages of symmetric cryptography. What are the disadvantages? First one is key distributed problem. Both parties must share the secret key securely, which is difficult over untrusted network. Then some scalability issues, no authentication by itself, key compromise risk. If key is exposed, all encrypted data using the key can be decrypted. So these are some disadvantages with them. Now let's see the real world applications. First one is file and disk encryption. BitLocker and Verycrypt example. Second one is wireless networkers, just like WPA to AES. In VPNs and SSL TLS, encrypted transmitted data. Then we also saw this database security, where encryption is used so asymmetric. Backup protection, encrypting stored archives. Let's see some examples of encryption simple uses, just like plaintext hello, key is used here 3, encryption, Caesar cipher, shift each letter by 3 position as a decryption. So ciphertext, this is different topic. If you want to make a video for these cipher, Caesar cipher, so on these types of algorithms, please let me know in comment sections. Let's summarize this video. Definition: what is the encryption that uses same key for both encryption and decryption? Speed, fast and efficient for large database. Security depends on the key and algorithm strength. Common algorithms: DS, 3DS, AFS, so on. What are the challenges? Secure key exchange between sender and receiver. So this was the end of this video. If you learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends as much as you can. Thank you.